Coal. Advantages. Coal can be found in lots of places in the world, and there is still plenty in the UK, so that we can use it for a long time. Coal can be easily transported to the power stations and can be transported fast, and the energy can be created. Coal is a relatively cheap energy source, so many countries can use coal as their energy source because it is relevant and cheap to purchase it. Disadvantages. To dig up coal, we have to create mines, which can be very dangerous and not very nice to look at. Transporting coal by lorry and from the mine to the power stations causes pollution. Burning coal produces polluting gases like sulfur dioxide, which make acid rain. Of all energy sources, burning coal releases the most greenhouse gases, which may add to global warming. Coal is a non-renewable source and will run out in about 100 years. Coal miners can be affected by black lung diseases and also emphysema if they breathe in too much of the coal dust. Environmental problems. Coal is an inexpensive and abundant fuel source that is used by many nations. But it is also a dirty fuel that emits more carbon dioxide than other energy sources such as oil or natural gas. Carbon capture and storage greatly reduces the impact of burning coal on global warming. Mining coal is also dangerous and environmentally harmful. Global issues. Many people are being killed in coal mines as a result of floods, cave-ins, or explosions. And also the bad air they are breathing can ruin their lungs and heart. It is a non-renewable source and will one day run out or become too expensive to use. Climate change. Burning coal is one of the major causes of global warming through the carbon dioxide that is caused by burning coals. Burning anything gives off a combination of water and carbon dioxide or CO2, and burning coal is no exception. The amount of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere is increasing. Increase of carbon dioxide causes climate change because carbon dioxide adds greenhouse gases.
Wind power is a renewable resource. Renew pure when Earth circulation happens when Earth rotates, which is called Coriolis effect. Scientists use winds to make electricity by building turbines on the land and let wind move the turbines to create electricity. What is the advantage? American Wind Energy Association said a single wind turbine cuts the emission of CO2 by more than 1,800 tons per year compared to normal U.S. fuel mix. Also cuts emission of sulfur dioxide by 9 tons and nitrogen oxide by nearly 4.5 tons. There will be no global warming, air pollution, mixing, extraction, and disposal of waste. What would be the disadvantage? Disadvantage is that it creates infrasound, but experts say infrasound levels are low that it will not cause ill, but some have to move because of low frequency noise cause headaches and made them tired. Shadows driven by rotating blades of wind also appears. 1,000 birds of prey killed each year by turbines. Wind farm can cause several problems for birds through, through disturbance, habitat loss, damage, or collision with turbines. It is When this intermittent power, windy sites are far from the areas that needs electricity and often from a power grid. Affects climate change. Wind is a clean fuel, so it will not create climate change. The local global issue would be that some claims that wind farm requires more energy than its turbine will ever generate. However, experts at the British Wind Energy Association estimate that an average wind farm should generate the amount of energy used to build within 3 to 5 months of coming into operation. Also have effects such as infrasound is one of the global issues, and the effects on wildbird population, and lastly the end land wind farms take. The wind energy gives environment negative and positive effects. negative effect will be dangerous to birds, that turbines are in areas where birds main routes for migration birds, but on the other hand, there will be no global warming pollution, air pollution, mixing, extraction, and disposal of waste. Wind effect Wind power affects economy. The price of fuel will decrease when wind power